cat. D is for dog. Dot, dot, dog. Dot, dot, dog. D for dog. E is for eagle. E, eagle. A, eagle. E for eagle. F is for fish. F, fish. F, fish. F for fish.
Wow! It's so big and
G is for goat. 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 G for goat. H is for horse. 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 H for horse. I is for igloo. 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 I for igloo. J is for juice. 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 J for juice. K is for king. 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 K for king.
whoa! 2 paths! Which way should I go?
L is for lion. Lion. L for lion. M is for monkey. Mama monkey. M for monkey. N is for nest. Nest. N for nest. O is for octopus. 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 O for octopus. P is for parrot. Parrot. P for parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. Q for queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R for rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. S for sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. T for tiger.
Wow! So many stars! I want to count them all! Can we count them together? Let's start.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U for umbrella. V is for van. Van. V for van. Bubbly. E is for whale. Whale. W for whale. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X for xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Y for yak. Z is for zebra.